In today's video, I'm going to show you how Gemini can build a table for you here in Google Sheets. So when you have access to Gemini, there's so many things that you can do with it, and one of those would be to build a table for you. If you go to the Gemini here in the menu bar, here are some of the options that you can do with your data. If you do have an existing data, most of these options will not be grayed out. But because I'm starting off with an empty sheet, the only suggestions that it can give me would be to generate a table, generate an image, generate a formula, text, add something else, or some of your preferences with Gemini. But for this one, we are going to be generating a table. So if I click on this one right here, what it does is open Gemini on the right side with the Gemini panel, and it starts your prompt with create a table that. So again, depending on what type of data or table you want it to build for you, you can have the specifications within your prompt right here. So let me just enter my prompt. Here we have it. So I wanted to create a realistic employee payroll table with 50 employees. So I wanted to create a payroll table that will include the employee ID, name, department, position, the basic salary, overtime hours, rate, bonus, deduction, gross pay, and net salary. Basically, I'm asking it to create a table which will serve as a template for me, so I can delete some of the details that it will enter later. But within that table, I wanted to already have the formulas that will calculate the gross pay and the net salary. So these are some of the specifications that I wanted to take in account when creating this table for me. So you always have to be very specific with what you want, because again, Gemini is not perfect. It can make mistakes, but with more specifications that you include within your prompt, the better it is to understand what you want it to do. So with that prompt ready to go, I'm just going to press enter on my keyboard or click on submit right here. So here is the suggested plan. It will be generating an employee payroll table. If you have additional sources, maybe a previous spreadsheet that you want to base this table from, you can definitely add it right here. But here are the steps that it's going to take to create our table for us. And if we want some more details, you can click on that. There we go, where it's going to place all of the data, which rows, which columns, and also the formulas and the verification, which would be for us to approve. So if we click on approve right here, again, it's just going to tell us to wait for a few more seconds as it finishes or does the table for us. And here we have it. Our payroll table is ready. If I close off Gemini right here, it has created my payroll table for me. We have all the columns that I have included and even the formulas to calculate the gross pay and the net salary right here. Now, this is a great table. It serves as a template again for me to definitely fill out a little later. We can change the employee ID, the employee name. I can erase everything right here. But the basic format where this will be in currency, there you have it. The bonus and the deductions are all in currency. And it has computed the gross pay based again on the formula that we have provided for it to create this table. And there you have it. That was built with the help of Gemini, with all the specifications we've given it, and we didn't have to start from scratch in creating this payroll table right here. Now, if you want to learn more on how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets, I'll be leaving a card to the full playlist at the top right corner for you to click and watch. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.